In this video, let's learn how to create a printing file and mock-up images for printed metal sign. First, visit Printway website. In the catalog section, type the product name to find the product you want to fulfill. Scroll down and in the File Guidelines section, click here or download to start downloading the printing file and mock-up file. Open the printing template file in Photoshop or Photopea. You'll see the template file shown on the screen with all the detailed guideline and notes for the product. This product will have 4 holes to hang on the wall. The hole zones are made on the file. Keep this in mind when designing. You can create any design you want on this printing file. Please note that all important text or images should be in the safe zone, the blue line. Your file format should be PNG with 300 dpi. After completing the printing file, you can move to create mock-up images. For example, this is your printing file. Here is how you can create mock-up images with this printing file. Open the mock-up file. Click on the image you want to create a mock-up. For example, click on folder 7, click on the first layer, right-click and select Relink to File. Choose the printing file that you've just finished, click Place and wait for the template to load. After the loading time finishes, your design will be applied to all image mockups. Now export the image, and that's how you can create a printing file and mock-up image with Printway template. We hope this helps. Now, let's try to make your product. Goodbye and see you in our next video.